All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. This is a shop. There's some changes, as you can see, in process. Not complete yet, but we're getting there. Happy New Year. If you're watching this on New Year's Eve, really Happy New Year. I appreciate you. And if you're not, I totally understand, but you know, watch it later. The D100 is gone. It sold right away really quick. The K20 is parked up in its semi-permanent resting place. The Harley is gone. My wife's uncle took that. And I am down to basically 3 trucks. And I can focus on 3 trucks. I have the financial and mental bandwidth to handle 3 trucks at a time. So this weekend I'm going down to Arkansas, as you guys know, to get a body for the K20, which means some of the parts will go on Daryl that are on the K20 now, and then the rest of that will go to the scrapyard or up for sale. The 6-liter will come out of Daryl hopefully next weekend, but we'll see. Haven't really decided. I need to get a new cherry picker. I don't have one for inside the shop, so by modifying mine to work with the tractor, I kind of screwed up hope of dropping engines in here. But yeah, so Saturday we'll do a scan of the 5.3 and a scan of the 4Runner. You guys will see that Saturday. I'll be in Arkansas. The 8.8 is almost ready. Like, I have parts on order. Had to have a 24X crank gear from PSI. That's on the way. 8.1 oil pan pickup on the way. A little special surprise on the way. The 3D printed intake. I just did that for fun, and I might continue to work on it and swap it on later. I think that the stock intake's fine. I was just having fun. Yeah. So that's my little quick update. Trying to continue. Tomorrow I'll come up here on New Year's Day and continue to work to unbury this and straighten this out behind me, so that this plasma table is usable for anything that I need it for on these 2 projects. The K20 is real. I don't want to body swap it, but it's pretty straightforward. Like, I'm just gonna swap the body, fix the wiring harness, and party on as a work truck, at least for this year. So I kind of considered putting the 6-liter from Daryl in the K20, but I don't want to do a swap without overdrive. I don't want to mess with the transfer case. I don't want to swap the cam out that's inappropriate for a 4x4. So I haven't really decided, but most likely that 6-liter is going to go up on Marketplace. Yeah. There's big stuff coming this year. I expect this to be on the road. I expect that to be on the road. I don't think that I'll get this in an actual driving state this year. But I will have it back down on all 4 and able to steer, or at least roll, this year. So I thank all of you guys for your support. I am going to tell you this at the end of the video, that I'm switching a little more towards capitalism and a little less towards communism, you know, where I refuse everything because everybody can't have it. I've kind of come around to the idea. Some people have told me, like, you know, at least you get the opportunity and you can show it. So not everybody can afford an $1,800 OnStar scanner. I understand that for sure. But since I get the opportunity, it would be remiss of me not to show you, I guess. It's a different way of looking at it than I have in the past, where in the past I've always been like, well, if all my subscribers can't afford it, I don't want it, because there's no sense in me showing it to people who can't afford it. Both are equally valid, but I'm going to go a little less from communism and a little more towards capitalism this year, and you guys will see me continue things that are good values, like that ZT Fab cart. It's really bad out there. I got to go plow. But anyway, Happy New Year. Be safe. Don't drink too much, or drink as much as you want. Don't drive. Whatever. We'll see you next year on the Driveway Engineer. Bye, Daryl.